Hi Gutsy Cooks. Today we're going to make Crockpot split pea soup. All right, let's get started. As you can see here, there is smoked turkey in this one. You can also make your soup vegetarian by leaving the smoked turkey out. I love Crockpot recipes for us as ADHD friends because Crockpots are totally designed for us. We add in all the ingredients, press the button, and walk away. You come back later and your meal is ready. Let's gather your equipment, which is a crock pot, a liquid measuring cup, other measuring cups, measuring spoons, little bowls, and a ladle or a deep mixing spoon. Next, you'll gather your ingredients, which is 1 cup of dried split green peas, 4 cups of water, 1/2 cup or a big handful of sliced carrots, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of dried parsley or fresh, 2 teaspoons of onion powder or half an onion cut up, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, and optional 1/4 pound of smoked turkey. As you're getting your ingredients ready to put in the crock pot, and that's a picture of everything that's in there, you can use your little bowls to measure. Remember not to measure all of those spices over your crock pot, because if you have a mistake, then you have to start over. You can't take it out. So you can use one little bowl or lots of little bowls to get your ingredients ready. You won't need the smoked turkey until about a half hour to an hour before it's finished, so you can leave that in the fridge. Once you have all of your ingredients in your crock pot, you're going to set it for low for 8 hours or high for 4 to 6 hours. About a half hour to an hour before you're ready to eat, you want to cut up that smoked turkey lunch meat and add it. You can add it at the beginning. There's not going to be any harm in it, but I prefer to leave it cold and add it at the end. And there you have Crockpot split pea soup. My grandpa always taught me to eat this with pepper, and so you can add some pepper on top. I like to serve it with some dinner rolls or crackers also. Give it a try, Gutsy Cooks. It is a nutrient-packed with the turkey in there. It can be a high-protein meal with lots of flavor. It is a nice savory dish. If you liked this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. ADHD friends, now you know what to do. Go get gutsy.